This tutorial of how I created my AI twin in less than 5 minutes is intended to all my dear domain knowledge experts who sometimes daydream that they would like to clone themselves because people are dragging them to all the different directions and we spend half of our workdays answering questions that are repeating itself. What I did here is I use Scroll AI and I train my own knowledge base. So Scroll AI is a brilliant tool in which you can curate your knowledge bases. I started by just creating AI experts and uploading this knowledge base to it. So this one includes transcript of my masterclass, my book, and a couple of videos that I have. If you want, you can literally add other elements as well, but I find it really cool because here you can just copy paste links and you don't have to go back and forward with uploading PDFs. So approximately 500 pages of content was uploaded to this knowledge base, and now you'll see how it works. How to test pricing. What you see here is that every piece of information is verifiable, and you can literally go and see what is up with the source from which this information was derived. Next, the answers are very well structured. So unlike ChatGPT with projects that has worse and better days when it comes to hallucination and just how it structured the answers, this one is very, very, very consistent. Next, we can even ask it to write something. So write a one-pager, 5 types of growth loops. Awesome. With examples. Everything's super, super, super verifiable. This is still me geeking out here, answering my own questions, so let's bring it out to people. We will do a very simple Slack integration. So here you would just click install, and long story short, it's not an NCP. It is a simple app that you connect to your Slack account. You click this command scroll connect here, and later on you can test it immediately. This is a very zero effort integration. So I started it by just solo testing it. We started with outbound emails. So the first version was, yes, verifiable, but we needed to structure it a little bit differently. So we came up with a very sweet message that I can use for my DM outreach for marketing agencies that we would be selling AI agents to. Next, what is super interesting here is that I invited a couple of partners, a couple of people to play around with it a little bit. And this morning, Angé asked it a really, really interesting question. So what would be the best acquisition channel for genetics laboratory company? And it came down with a very accurate list. Plus, what is super interesting is that the budget allocation that it suggested was very on point. So that was cool. Let me just briefly show you how it is done here as well. I don't even have to tag it. So I will ask it how to test pricing again. And I got this reply. Everything again in terms of sources is verifiable. So I know that it doesn't hallucinate, and it is really, really, really well structured. Cool. If you enjoyed this demo, definitely take Scroll AI for a spin. You can start by building your AI experts completely for free and have fun building these knowledge bases, connecting it to Slack and playing around with Q&As with your colleagues. Hopefully it will work well for you as well. Take care. Thanks for watching. Ciao.